Hello there, it's Diorama Don here. Welcome everybody. This is a diorama of a Ukrainian village, as we might expect to see these days at the end of 2022. I've added a little snow feature to it, which would be in keeping with the time of year. I made the video, or I made a separate video on how I made the T-72 Russian tank. I made it completely from cardboard and polystyrene. So if you're interested on how I went about making the tank, then please refer to my previous video. I also made the village itself in a previous video, but I've just updated it with a few different scenes. So anyway, the snow feature, I used a wall filler first, which is white anyway, so we're halfway there, and then any kind of white powder. For goodness sake, don't go to a model shop and buy a pot of white snow and pay a fortune for it. There's no need. All you need is any kind of white powder. A lot of people seem to like baking soda, so if you can get hold of some of that, a bit of PVA glue and then sprinkle baking soda on. I didn't have any, so I used corn flour. It just happened to be in the kitchen. So you can use anything, any white powder at all, dandruff, cocaine, anything like that. Okay, so there's my reinvented Ukrainian village. So okay, I'll leave you with it. If you like the video, please subscribe, and you'll be informed when new videos come along. In the meantime, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.